my name is David Jensen and I am doing an installation video on how to install bulk bearings into a LOSI TEN-SCTE's differential. The tools that you'll be needing is a 3/32 hex driver and a 5/64 hex driver and bulk bearings and a small screwdriver. The first thing that you're going to do is you have to remove the front differential. So first you have to take off these 2 screws right here, these 3 screws, and these 4 screws. Once you take off those 4 screws, and then you have to take off these 2 right here. And then the front bumper should come off. And then you have to do these 3. So and this should just come up. Once you took these 2 screws out, it should come out really easily. Then you have to take these screws off. So there's also 2 screws here on the bottom. So let's take those off. After these 2 are out, it should come off. Okay, now it should just come right up. Okay, so there's 2 bearings on the either side right here. So what you want to do, you want to take the screwdriver, you want to pull it out. Once you put the bearings in here, you want to put 2 more bearings in here. So first off, you have to remove the set screw that's located right here. If you removed it, it should come off. Then you want to push down on this. Should come off. There's 1 bearing right here and another one right here. So next you have to pop out. So once you got that out, you want to pop out the remaining bearing. Then you want to take off this bearing, and then you want to get the 2 brand new bulk bearings, and you want to replace one on the bottom of this like that. One. So then you want to put the gear in here. Okay, now once the bearings are in, you want to reverse the steps that you did. So you want to get this, put it on, and then you want to put on the set screw. Okay, I just finished tightening all those and finished the screws. Now you have to take off these 4 screws on the bottom. Okay, once this is off, you want to take off these 2 screws and these 2 screws right here. So you're basically taking off the bumper. Once you took off the bumper, you want to remove these 4 screws and then these 2 over here. And once you take off the last of the screws, this should just come off. take out dog bones, this zip off. You want to take these off. And they have a bearing inside. So you want to take out the bearing. Okay, and the bearing should come out. Like that. Then you want to replace the bearings with new Boca bearings. So you want to take two new ones. And then you want to place them here. And place it in here. And then you want to put them on here. And once you've done that, then on this, there's two bearings in here, so what you need to do is you need to take out the set screw right here. And then it should pop off. Then what you need to do is put this in. Okay, you take this bearing out, and then what you need to put this one out, like that. Then you grab your new Boca bearings, and I'm going to put one on this side, and one on this side. And then you want finishing the bumper. Now I'm going to put back on and put the 4 screws in. Now I'm just finishing up putting the 4 screws on. Okay, so when you finish with that, I'm going to do the center differential. So the first thing that you need to do is take off these 4 screws up on the top. Now I'm going to take off these 4. Now when I take this off, when you take all those screws off, they should come out. And what you want to do, you want to take the bearings out. Okay, so I got that one off. Now you want to get this one off. So once you got the 2 bearings out, you want to get your 2 new Boca bearings and just place them on. Once you line it up, you want to take this and place it in. Okay, so now you just gotta put these bottom 4 in. So once these are done, I'm going to test my car.